Open-closed is an object-oriented design principle that addresses the testability and flexibility issues in software. It is no longer possible to develop software without releasing updates after a few months of operation. If you do not, you may lose customers. It is important to build software in such a way that new features can be added without modifying the existing codebase. The open-closed principle states that an entity should be open to extensions but closed to changes. Modification is a process of changing the code of an existing class, whereas extension is a process of adding new functionality. Modifying existing code carries a high risk of introducing bugs that could cause the software to crash. You might be wondering how a new feature can be added to a system without modifying the existing code. This is typically accomplished through the use of interface and abstract classes. Consider the following code implementation. Here is a class vehicle with two functions: car display plate number and truck display plate number. If the way the plate number is displayed changes, you will most likely need to change the functions. So, to improve this code, we can apply the open-closed principle. In this code, we've created a vehicle abstract class with two functions: display plate number and display manufacturer. Another class, car, extends the abstract class. Using the open-closed principle, we can create a new type of vehicle in the future that extends the abstract class without having to change the existing codebase. For example, we can make a truck that displays its own license plate number. We can accomplish this without changing the previous code. If new changes to the truck are required in the future, the other functionalities will be free of any potential bugs. Do you know why this principle is significant? The first is its extensibility. When requirements change, you can extend the behavior of such features by writing new code rather than changing existing code that is already working. Also, the maintainability of a codebase is essential, as you can easily adapt to changing client requirements. Aside from that, a new software developer who picks up the codebase can easily begin writing new features without feeling frustrated. Open-closed principle gives your software the flexibility to integrate with third-party services or quick-changing technology. There will eventually be a need for a feature upgrade or bug fixes for any software. You should ensure that your application is built such that it can adapt to changes in the future.